Hello, I'm going to do a little tutorial for you to show you how to install mods onto your .jar in case you just do not like using Magic Launcher. So here we go. First, as you can see, I have all my mods downloaded. You need to download all of your mods real quick. And you see I have a Minecraft jar in there. We're going to use that one to test our jars on because mine is already modded. I don't want to redo all that. But these are all my mods. I encourage you to download your mods and put them in a documents folder. I also have a shortcut to the .minecraft folder, which we will be going to right now. Alright, so let's look over to the left side of your screen. You have another window I have opened up. I'm going to go to local disk, users, which is my computer name, by the way, and then I'm going to type in /appdata. Then you'll see roaming. I'm going to click on that, Minecraft, and then we're going to want to go to bin. Now here I'm going to take my Minecraft jar that I just downloaded, fresh Minecraft jar. I'm going to plop it in there real quick. Let's change the name to Minecraft so it'll work. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and try to open up Minecraft to test that. You always want to test after a successful step. So let's go ahead and try to test. And my Minecraft's not here. So let's go ahead and test. It's going to be over here. So we're going to click it. We're going to see what happens. There we go. Logging in. It looks like it's working. You see I'm still using the Sortex fan for text pack. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to X out of that completely. Let's go ahead and open up left click. You're going to need 7-zip for this. Just Google 7-zip, install it, and when you have, pause the video right here, go install it, and once you have it installed, come back. Once you have it installed, come back, and now we're going to right click, it's going to say, you're going to go to 7-zip, open archive. We're going to drag over here. We're going to keep that open, and we are going to go back to my Minecraft folder with my stuff. Like I said, have a nice file here for all of your mods. They're awesome. It is an awesome way to keep it up. First, we're going to install ModLoader. So you want to do the same thing. I'm going to go 7-zip, open, archive, and basically what I want to do is copy and paste everything in here into there. It's going to ask you, are you sure? You're going to click yes. I'm going to copy it. Now we're going to delete that meta.in/inf file. We're going to delete that real quick. There we go. And we're going to X out of this. Now, one of the mods we're going to download is one of the ones we're going to install. It's called MacroMod, and I want to bring up a web page for you to just comment on this mod real quick. You'll have some issues with it, and this is just their Minecraft forum page. If you scroll down there, you'll see that let's check compatibility. Well, download links. You can download the 1.2.5, which we don't want to do, but the 1.3.1. Well, it says that the preliminary ModLoader of this version will crash your client. Well, that's kind of weird because it didn't, but I went ahead and downloaded this anyway. But if you read here, basically, ModLoader conflicts with this MacroMod. So you want to download ModLoader.class, which is right there. Just click that link, download it. It should pop up about right there. And that's what I did, so I'm going to X out of this window. And you should have a class file. You basically want to take that class file and you just want to drag it over. And let's hit yes. And we're also going to install improved chat in this. So we're going to right click again. We're going to go, I'm sorry, we're not going to install improved chat. We're going to install Optifine. Why did I say that? We're going to right click, we're going to go into 7-zip, open archive. We're going to go to edit, select all, and we're going to drag it over. It's going to ask you, are you sure? You click yes, it's going to install. Very good. Now what we want to do is we want to close our 7-zip file here, minimize this file. Oh wait, that was where it is. You'll have yours on the desktop more than like this. Open back up bin. My execution is right here. I'm going to execute real quick just to make sure it runs. It may or may not run. I went out of order on one step, but it looks like it's going to run, and we will see It runs. Very good. Now it's going to X out of that again. Now what we want to do is we want to install improved chat. So we're going to right click, go down to 7-zip, open archive. You're going to see that. First, before we mod this, we're going to take this, we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it here, name it something like Step 1. So we'll know where that save is. So now we're going to open Minecraft with the right click, 7-zip, open archive. We're going to take it over here. We're going to go back to this file. We're going to edit, select all. We're going to move them all over here. We're going to yes, confirm. They're going to go over there. Now we're going to X out of this. We're going to exit out of that. And now we're going to bring Minecraft back open again. Now we're going to log in. We're going to see how this does. And it looks like it's going to work again. It might crash. If it crashes, I am going to redo the video. But let's check this out. Look at that. It works. Now, we have a choice of 3 more mods we can do right now. I'm going to go ahead and try to sort them by a different way. But we have MacroMod. We have ModLoader. We've already installed ModLoader. We have WorldEdit CUI, MacroMod, and Raise Minimap. We're going to use Raise Minimap for last. But now we're going to install WorldEdit CUI. So we're going to do that the exact same way. We're going to take this. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste it. We're going to delete step 1. We're going to take that, rename it to, let's name this one IC. We're going to know that that's the IC step. So now we're going to take it, right click, open archive to your original Minecraft.jar. Slide that over there. We're going to go to MacroMod here. I'm sorry. We're going to go to WorldEdit CUI, 7-zip, open archive. Slide that over here. Now, this is a tricky one. You have to click this, and you're going to say, oh, well, that must be the folder we're using. That's still not the folder. We have to click the classes folder, then we copy everything over. So, it's going to ask you, hit yes. It's going to be a little slower here. There we go. So notice, we are not in. This is what pops up when you open 7-zip. We're going to open that file, and we're going to click on classes to open that. Now, we're going to copy all of that in there. That's what you do. Make sure you got that right. We're going to close that, and we're going to keep this open because from now on we don't have to restart. We don't have to restart every time. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do MacroMods now. So I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to 7-zip, open archive. I'm going to select all of these and just copy them over. Yes, I want to copy them. And there we go. They're all copied over. Now, you have one more mod, but right now we're going to close and save. And we're going to save it pre-raise. That's what we're going to save this one as. So, copy, paste, pre-raise. And we're going to delete IC. Well, we'll make sure it works first. That's the best idea. So, we're not going to delete IC yet, otherwise I'm going to have to redo the whole video. Minecraft Launcher. Make sure you don't use Magic Launcher. It's having some issues with some of that stuff. Make sure you just use the default launcher. I don't know if I mentioned that. Probably didn't. But it looks like it's working. So we're just going to open this up. It should bring me to the home page, but it will probably crash. Oh, look, it worked. Things are actually going my way. So, let's close this. Let's delete pre-ray. There we go. That's my modded file. But so now we're gonna open we're not gonna open Minecraft. Here's the tricky part. Now we're gonna hit the backspace button. That should bring you out here to your big list. Now we're gonna go into mods. We're gonna go to mods and we're gonna drag over your Raise Minimap. Just drag it over. Now what this does is it doesn't install it into your jar. It forces ModLoader to run Raise Minimap from your mods folder. So this way, if you ever have a conflicting, if it conflicts with anything, all you have to do is remove it. That's how we're going to install it. And I'm just going to go back real quick, go back to bin. Just to prove it's working, I'm going to click Minecraft. It opened up. Here we go. It's the moment we've been waiting for. looks like it works to me. Go ahead and full screen. And it works. I'm going to just prove it to you real quick. Go to options. You go to controls. Things are off, but you see there's a macro override over there. But go to controls. Hey guys, I just want to do a little follow-up video on the last video I did, or I guess the last clip. You're watching the video, but I didn't feel comfortable with leaving you with a not working video. But there was something wrong with the .jar that I installed, so I changed back to the Minecraft, my original jar that has all of these nice mods on them already installed. I reinstalled everything on them, and we're gonna go ahead and run this real quick because I think it might work this time. What I think maybe needed to happen was a restart, but I just got lazy and didn't do it for you. So we're gonna go ahead and try to restart this and see if it works. Install it. Reboot. So your video will probably, somebody wants me. Your video will probably, your Minecraft will probably crash. But now we're gonna go controls. This is what it should look like after you're done. You have all of your controls here. You have all of your macros right here. You can X out of this and it brings you back to the main screen. All of them are here. I can't show you I can't show you the WorldEdit right now because we don't have WorldEdit working on this temp server, but this is on default Minecraft, but it seemed to be just a simple reboot issue. Like I said, I couldn't repeat the results, so I just wanted to show you what it's looked like. Once again, this is just a tutorial for installing mods on the 1.3.1. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment with suggestions or problems you had with installing them, and I'll try to get right back and do another video to address those issues. That's all I have for you today. Have fun modding.